Welcome to my channel, and today I'll be making some pan seared steak. To start, I will be heating some oil in the pan on medium-high heat. Now I'm going to prepare my seasoning, and right now I have some salt, some pepper, and some oregano. You can keep this simple by just using salt and pepper, or you can add the oregano or other seasons that you like. Now I'm going to add oil to the steak, and I'm going to put oil on each side, and this will allow the seasoning to stick to the steak. Here I am, I'm going to season the steak on each side. Now, do keep in mind that the full ingredients will be on my blog, and you can find the link in the description box below. Once the skillet is nice and hot, go ahead and brown your steak on each side for 5 to 7 minutes. Now I'm going to prepare some butter, some garlic, and I'm going to add that later on. After 5 minutes, my steak is nice and brown, so I'm going to flip that and allow the other side to brown as well. And once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and add my butter, some garlic, and some thyme for flavor. And I'm going to preheat the oven to 420 degrees, and I'm going to go ahead and allow this to boil until it's medium well. If you like yours rare, you can stop right here, but I like mine medium well. Now this is what it looks like. So thank you for watching this video. Please go ahead and like the video, comment and subscribe for more videos as well. So thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care.